back to the channel, everybody. This week the Red Wing finally going, and as you would have seen already at the start of this video, we have been through quite a lot already, and we haven't even started yet, just to get this video done, because there's about 40-50 mile an hour winds today. So
fucking stinks.
oh, it does, doesn't it? Oh,
We've got some
oh, give us a sip.
GRP, which is glass reinforced plastic, which is fiberglass stripper. You need to use this. You can't use anything like nitromors because it would just strip through the fiberglass. So yeah, use this. It's the best one. It's marine stripper. It's for boats.
So let's start stripping. Let's get on with it. So yeah, we're just applying it with a paintbrush with what are the bristles? Nylon bristles, because I assume it eats through normal ones. Yeah, so we're just going to apply this and give you an update when it starts stripping, I guess. Right, so the paint strip has been sitting on it for about, I don't know, 15 minutes? 10-15 minutes. It might need a bit longer or a couple coats, but we just started blasting and it is stripping. So basically, the paint stripper it just isn't strong enough. It's been like, I don't know, maybe an hour now, and pretty much all of this was done just by the powerful jet wash. And yeah, the paint stripper is just not doing a good enough job, so we're going to sand it so it's got a nice flat surface and a rough surface at the same time. Try and get a good grab with the primer and the paint. Yeah, and just sand it, primer it, paint it, and hopefully it turns out alright. In that really strong gust of wind, and after taking some poles out and looking at the aftermath, snapped. R.I.P. Gaz. He was a good friend, you nearly made it a year. Rest in peace, brother. Right, so basically me and Paul started to give up on life with this wing. So we're just gonna go on eBay and buy a carbon fibre one. Alright, sweet, see you later. Nah, what we're doing is, well...
we're giving up and just spraying it black.
Yeah, so we're just gonna dry it,
and then
fill it, sand it a bit more so it's smooth, and just primer over the red bits.
And then give it to someone who knows what they're doing.
So, yeah, fill it, sand it, primer, paint. All the holes and cracks and stuff in the wing, we're using Isopon P40 body filler for holes. So yeah, it smells pretty grim, it looks pretty grim.
It just smells nice.
Oh, it's on my finger. Oh. Oh. Yeah, and you just put a little bit, put a couple dobs of hardener in it. Comes with a spatule.
I can't get it off the cardboard.
Kind of just swap in your holes. I wasn't even cool. You want to put a bit too much in the holes than you need because you just sand it smooth after. So yeah, that's what our job is right now. Alright, so it's been a long time because it's actually really cold out here for the fiberglass to actually dry up. And now it's time to sand it smooth. And then well, the whole wing is not ready for primering, but we're going to prime it anyway. Because I'm losing the will to live with this wing.
You're losing the will to live. Nice.
There's things called paint shops for a reason, but
I suggest you use them.
If this turns out alright, it only cost about, what, 30, 40 quid?
70.
70 quid, but
in paint and materials.
So this would be like at least 250 quid at a professional shop. So, if it turns out alright, well, then it's alright then. In them smooth edges. It looks like a spoiler that's ready to paint now.
We're even kidding ourselves for.
Is this not the best bodge you've ever seen? 30, 40 mile an hour winds, strung up on a washing line.
Yeah.
But the primer is going on quite nicely.
Can you stop it from spinning?
Yeah. The primer will cover all the rest of the red patches, so it should work. Just so you know, this video is not a tutorial. Please do not follow this video. This is terrible.
I've given up, so I'm just fucking doing it.
This is, it's raining. It's raining.
Okay, I got one more video.
After coat 1 of the primer, it's actually turned out a little bit better than I thought it was gonna. It's covered up all of the old red and it's sticking to it nicely. So it's ready for coat number 2 now because it's touch dry. We're gonna go for about 4 coats of primer and then however many coats of paint it does to get a fairly nice smooth finish on it. But it's such a bodge job right now, it's never gonna be smooth. But to be honest, even with a bodgy black paint job, it's going to look better than the red wing.
So it is the next morning. Yesterday was kind of a disaster, but we did manage to get some of it painted, primered. I'm going to give it a quick sand down now. We're in a nice little shed now, all sheeted out. Just going to give it a quick sand down and then primer again, primer, paint. There you go. Is the plan for today. So we're going to give it another coat of primer, giving it a little bit of sand down, checking out most of the high spots. It still looks pretty fucking shit, but like I said, I don't care anymore. I'm just going to get it black. Let's go. A coat of black. Just going to go over again with the coat of black. I mean, I get that it does look horrendous, but I am going to send it to a paint shop after this because I've come to the realisation I cannot do this. So I'm just going to make it black for now and then be done with it, send it to someone who knows what they're doing. That is the last coat of black. So it's 6 coats of black now. I mean, to be fair to it, it's black. It's what I wanted. Whether or not it's a good finish is it's bad. It's really bad. But it's black. I mean, when you go far away, you look absolutely fine. You know, it's just a black wing rather than red. Can't really tell. But yeah, that's done for now. Just got to leave that to dry. Stick a couple of coats of clear on it. Put it on the car, silicone it in, bolt it down, and it's done. So the spoiler, I've siliconed and bolted it on. It's all bolted up now. It is finally on, and it's black. It's not the best colour match. Well, it isn't a colour match because one's metallic and one's a gloss. But that is it. Finally on and black. So you can all stop moaning at me now that it's red. I will put the wing stiffs back in at a later date. But for now it's just staying like that. So yeah, finally got a black wing to match the black paint, even though the black paint's dirty. That is. So we are going to get Ollie's first reaction.
It's matte. Why is it matte?
1 or 3. It's gloss paint.
Oh my god. So bad!
The title of this is going to be like how not to spray your ring.
Oh my god.
It's black, which is what we wanted, or what I wanted.
Well, better than red, but...
It's going to go to a paint shop, 100%. It needs to. It's just black, it's better than red.
Mate, it looks like the Hulk sanded it.
Hulk sanded it, mate. Looked like I went through it with a fucking chainsaw. But yeah, it's on and it's black.
I just don't get the colour difference.
Well, it's meant to be gloss, but It's never going to be the same as my paint because my paint's
Terrible,
metallic. Yeah, I gave up.
Well, you gave up on life.
Take your wing to a spoiler or a paint shop. Just don't do it yourself unless you know what you're doing or you're qualified. It's awful, but it's black. It's better than red. Not so everyone can stop complaining now. Yeah. Please like, subscribe, keep coming back. Great content. See you later. That is now clean. I'm not going to bother wiping it down because it's raining again in Surrey. What do you expect? But yeah, that is clean for now.